Galdiez claims contracts, payments, and bookings were ignored. Here's what he says happened. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
This is the contract from Showtime. Look at thieving girl named Cara. Here, give me a contract. Them say, them have a contract, I don't know about the show, Showtime. Then charge me $40,000 for the show. I want to see what I want. Okay? One next criminal one from Upper Atlanta. I live America. Live Jamaica, name Tiffany. That's not even a real name. And let me tell you this, peeps. From the moment I speak to that girl, the first time I ever speak to that girl, the first thing she come to me with is that Kraft need for doing tea. They need $2,000 from me. I wanted the show so bad because the show Galiday Bounce, the name of the event, the little dark shit of one blood clot song named Bounce Up in a Bounce in the Dark or whatever. I'm going to say, you know what? I'm a good team for the show. Alright? Me sell her $1,500. Remember, we don't have this yet. This ain't in play yet. Okay? I sell her $1,500. Now come link up in Atlanta. Me drive an empty tractor trailer from Orlando Airport to Atlanta. Me give this girl me Capital One car with $7,000 on it. I'm going to say, here what you do? Keep your card. Me replenish your card. Okay. Them look for me and say, alright, Galdiez, in my truck, she come get the card from me. She have my card now.